आता पाहूया बातम्या विस्तारानं। गोवा किनारी विभाग व्यवस्थापन प्राधिकरणातर्फे तयार करण्यात आलेल्या किनारी विभाग व्यवस्थापन आराखड्याच्या मसुद्यात त्रुटी असून 7 जुलैला बोलवण्यात आलेली जनसुनावणी रद्द करावी अशी मागणी सत्ताधारी आमदार आणि मंत्र्यांनी केली। हा मसुदा दुरुस्त करून तो पुन्हा समजावून सांगावा अशी मागणी करण्यात आली।
That is the head of the particular department is asking caution that your map is very much wrong, not slightly wrong, not to be that draft notification which is there. It's not only about that, it's fully wrong, is what they are saying. So this is what you have to consider now and give time to us, not 7th, that date which is there.
Can be postponed, sir.
Yeah, it has to be postponed. Not for a small period. Till agriculture data. Till agriculture data comes to you, till data from town planning comes to you, till data from all, like all the villages, especially all the MLAs representation comes to you, then let us sit together and do it properly. Let the villagers benefit out of this. All those paddy field owners are asking us when our barns will be ready to start the plowing of the field.
Another observation.
This is very important. No, you have not shown the barn.
Tell me one thing. How
Beyond the barn are the paddy fields.
if you have used those aerial photographs, how you can be so wrong in
Assam land by definition.
where is 45 kilometers and where is 180 kilometers?
There in the definition.
Answer one question, boss.
No, how you are so wrong in the Khazan lands? इतना कैसा mistake कर सकते हैं आप?
Some places.
45 years showing. My records, I am Minister Town Planning, Minister Agriculture. My records show 180 kilometers. How you can be so wrong? It is 45 to 45. How many times is wrong? How you can be so wrong? What type of photograph you use? No. Tell me. See, Mr. Parrikar at Central Bank. Why? Because you are the wrong. Did you have corrected everything? You have just come like that again.
Come back with the same
You have
thing.
come with the same thing again.
They have
You have not
received
changed anything.
they have only received the government pay.
अरे पण इतनी चूक कशी जाऊ शकता रे? आता साडी कोकणी पाहिजे इतलं कसं चूक शकतं? एक दोन हे No. Even that you can't justify it. ते ऍड केल्यानंतर आम्ही जाणार ते कोणी.
Really, you're not answering my question.
आपण खासदार म्हणजे किती सोबत
Just tell me about your sluice gate on the.
Fishing village. What are meaning fishing
The
village?
minute you show a barn,
Whether there are any fishing village?
the whole problem is solved.
Any
You
fishing
are not
village? Any fishing village is there? Whole village you are saying fishing? How it is?
There is a barn, there is sluice gates. If you
No,
show
no.
this,
Mr.
how much
Mr.
land is on?
See,
For that, you have to get into land use.
Mr.
You have to get into land use.
I want to know this one.
Which you have not
Clear.
done.
You are sent a notice in Warka Panchayat, Kolwa Panchayat, fishing village. There's a fishing village is there. You are putting whole Warka in fishing. How it is?
Live together.
You put a Nala also see that. You see how many Nalas are there?
Can I answer the question?
How it is?
Like,
You have not shown our sluice gate over here and the barn. The barn is here. You have not shown the barn. Barn of ours is 5 meters. They have given us permission to build this. GCZMA has given us. But you have shown the entire paddy fields as mangroves. Then you have gone in our land also up to here and shown this as buffer. So all these houses which are there, some are doing commercial activities beyond 500 meters are coming in your buffer. So this is what we want you to rectify all over Goa. Not only in my constituency, all over Goa.
हियरिंग पण ते पब्लीक हियरिंग जावपूय गरजेचें आसा. ज्यांच्यांनी आपले काही प्रॉब्लेम्स आसतले, आपले काही डिफिकल्टीज आसतल्यो त्यो प्लेस करप, ऑन पेपर हाडप, तांकां रिप्रेझेंटेशन दिवप हें अत्यंत गरजेचें आसा. सगळ्यांचें रिप्रेझेंटेशन आमी घेवपाची आमची तयारी आसा. सगळ्यांचें बाब निलेशनानी सांगले त्या प्रमाणे म्हणजे वी नीड टू टेक द कन्सिडरेशन टू द पीपल ऑफ द गोवा रिगार्डिंग द CRZ issues. Whatever the issues are there, we are taking into the consideration, and according to that, whatever the changes suggested by the people, by the elected MLA, will take into the consideration, and we'll again going for the further planning वॉटेवर आसता जी एजन्सीज आसा तांच्या कडल्यान परत एकदां प्लॅनिंग करून घेवपाची तयारी आसा. त्या खातीर एखाद्या विशयाचेर फक्त खंय तरी बोवाळ घातलो म्हणून जावचो ना. कारण फाटल्या कितल्याशाच गोवोरमेंटांनी जें काम करपाक जाय आशिल्लें SR विशयाचेर हें करूं ना म्हणून आमकां आतां तो प्रॉब्लेम फेस जाता. सो दॅट इन द लाँग रन फ्युचर आमकां हे प्रॉब्लेम जावपाक जायना. सगळ्या लोकांचें सहकार्य आसप हें अत्यंत गरजेचें आसा. और ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर निलेश काब्राल इज डुईंग द गूड वर्क. आमकां एटलिस्ट आतां जर आमी केलें ना जाल्यार परत केन्ना तरी ह्या विशयाचेर त्रासान पडटले. सो इट माय रिक्वेस्ट सिन्सियरली रिक्वेस्ट फॉर ऑल द कोस्टल लँड पीपल्स स्पेशली द कोस्टल पंचायत एरियाज. सो दे वॉन्ट टू टेक द इनिशिएटिव्ह and whatever the suggestion, I will give you a suggestion. That is my submission. That's all. Otherwise, जी ऑथॉरिटी आसा त्या ऑथॉरिटी व्यवस्थितरित्या काम करतले आणि दे आर कंटिन्यूइंग विथ अस. दे आर कंटिन्यू विथ अस फॉर द फर्दर वर्क.